afternoon, guys. My name is Rock Foreman, Managing Director of National Operations for R&K Wealth Development and Processor Division. Just want to do a quick update video for you guys, kind of let you know what's going on this week. We did run out of money with the SBA program, okay, but Congress has already, the Senate has already passed a $484 billion appropriations bill to refund that. Not all of that money is specifically for the SBA, just some of it, so that's important to understand. We expect to have it fully passed through the House and signed by the President in the next 24 to 48 hours. This is extremely important, guys. You have to go ahead and get yourself prepared to get these monies. If you haven't put in before, you need to come and work with us or another company to get you prepared so that you have your confirmation number. We've heard a lot of, unfortunately, what I would call scary stories, but where we have our clients who have banked with people for as much as 15 years, and they're going in to do the PPP program, and the bank won't lend to them because they don't have a line of credit with that particular bank. So there's a lot of things going on in terms of the programs. So again, it's extremely important to understand that this is musical chairs. You have to be prepared to sit down so that you have a seat at the table. If you miss out on these monies, it's quite possible that your business may not be around in 30 days. So I make the video just to kind of update you on what's going on. We're talking to the SBA at least 2 to 3 times a week. One of the things that's supposed to happen with the new program is that we're going to have credit unions have the ability to do a lot of this funding as well, so that it's out of the hands of some of the larger banks so the lines aren't so long. We here at R&K are actually applying to become a lender as well, so that you have multiple options. That option isn't here yet, but we're working on it feverishly to be able to assist each and every one of you that we can. With that being said, everything is moving in a good direction. If we can get together, do this, get your strategy together and begin to execute, we can really do some good things out here in terms of each of your businesses. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I really appreciate you taking a little bit of time with me. Mr. Grayson, what do we say at the end of the videos?
So this time, subscribe to R&K Wealth Development on YouTube, and please turn on the notifications bell. And if you like this video, like it. If you love it, subscribe. And please hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video.
Thank you, my friend. This is my partner, Grayson. Helps me out with these kind of things. You guys have a great day.